Hope the mood will be a bit different on this one because I'm recording at the same time. So guys, welcome to the show. Nakezo kami join Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani. Bitora mina imena Mandla Gingirikani wa kumashawa. Naba bla Papa Rhulani. Hey, na Philani. Yes, Papa Rhulani and Philani. Okay, firstly, ningabula ku loko Papa Rhulani look Philani a tivisa ku yena angata manager Papa Rhulani. Mina I thought it was a joke. And I think it was a joke. He was just joking himself. Then later, based on what people said in the comments section, then he made a move. And then I approached Papa Rhulani. And then they are what we know now. Va manager Papa Rhulani, manager Philani. But I just want to say, before I talk about Philani and Papa Rhulani, I wanted to say, or maybe I'll tell you about Lekere and Papa Rhulani later. I'm going to talk about these things in show in the man. So I just feel like I want to appreciate Lekere for what he's done na Papa Rhulani. We cannot undermine whatever he's done. I understand he has these challenges in terms of being able to control or manage Papa Rhulani, because I understand mina nang tiba Lekere muno anjani. I'm not under control and then like when I want bataki, so it's his nature. Maybe na ila manager na yes. Maybe Lekere shla manager shona shosh. But I've noticed good Lekere is dealing with the situation in a good way, positively, because he's not sulking. He's actually even making jokes about what Papa Rhulani is busy saying about him and all those things. But that's Lekere for you. That's how he is. Look at it. Some evacuation Lekere ita shutiwa kur Lekere ile shangai son. Ile shiga so is the leja. I take so serious and I'm unu randa ku kwata man. Muno tatsakela. So antaku congratulations to Lekere for what he's done. Papa Rhulani iwa do missing impela. Mara Shoshan Philani is taken over, and I want to talk about Philani right now. So talk about Philani and Papa Rhulani. Oh, before I go, I feel like Lekere misses Papa Rhulani. And I can also say, I also believe that Papa Rhulani misses Lekere, because those guys were really tight friends. They were good friends. Their chemistry when they were together, it was just seamless. Look seamless. I should have forced what do you call it, chemistry about. Maybe the video could be Papa Rhulani with Lekere versus Papa Rhulani with Philani. But no, I don't want to do that. I don't think I can even do that, because I haven't seen a lot of Philani and Papa Rhulani. I only saw a few clips here and there, so I don't think it would be fair. Mara anla ula Lekere Mrs. Papa Rhulani and Papa Rhulani, I believe he misses Lekere, because those guys had a good friendship. And I believe someone who's your manager, as much as he's supposed to be like, hey, hardcore, a manager also must be almost like a friend to the person who's an artist, but then also must have a background of law or economics. He lives music and let's say Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani can from Nantwana Maraj ka video akon. But Kashikaza, I think things are different. But that is totally I think that manager total and that's why someone can ask a question, why Papa Rhulani Philani you're not manager, you're not manager. So as why ingat manager yosho kumbe. I mean, this is like kuba na manager mara kuba Papa Rhulani. Kuba phone la ita fight via ka. But I believe because of the logistics that he has to do, he does need a manager. And the Shkatlagu Kuana manager, because at least they speak on our behalf. Bakufuna negotiate at the price, Nakuga Robarobula and Baku Melela, Kakashwan, Magu. Some of the things that you were supposed to answer, they come and sort of play a not a defensive role, but so they manage the situations. Santagu Logunbone Lekere na Papa Rhulani just felt they were good chemistry together. And I feel like Hono logo ingena studio kuna a good chemistry. But ayikali kwalani mara loko ku nga na good chemistry kuma ku the friendship is forced kumbe kuna a bit of a controlling aspect ka relationship ya n'wehe swi tala ku kuma ku swi tika ku humesa tihiti mara leswi nga swi vona hi lekere na papa Rhulani Shem, they were going far. It's just that lekere didn't have control of the situation with regard to trying to not discipline but convince papa Rhulani Kuri he does not have to drink. So papa Rhulani, I feel like probably undermined lekere if lekere did advise papa Rhulani to not to drink too much. Otherwise, if they didn't, then we don't know. We don't know. Mara, yeah, won't she lekere. But I just believe Kuri, those guys were a good combination, guys. And I miss that combination myself. Maybe we need to move on as well. Who knows? So Philani has announced himself to be a manager. Vanhu va vula ku vanhu va lava ku endla leswaku vanhu va lava ku endla mali hi mfana loyi leswaku sweswi ku ta nghena un'wana kuma un'wana and a hi swi tivi with this one we will have to watch and see, wait and see, because a swi olovi ku manager munhu wo fana papa Rhulani, especially kuma ku munhu wo tirhandzela ku titsakela hi swo havulavula mara loko ni vone leswi ni nga swi vona so far, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. Firstly, I'm impressed that Papa Rhulani is able to now perform. Yiri in a good mood. Papa Rhulani is a mood himself, you know. He doesn't need a lot of stuff. He's just in a good mood. I can see he's in a good mood, and with the help of Gagash, it made it so easy. Even though Bifani, Mara, I understand they moved on from those things, right? Yeah. I look at it and go high, man. Engari kungabona kuchicha aka Papa Rhulani, engabona a different Papa Rhulani right now. Shinda kuma see we're exposed to a different Papa Rhulani who is more organized. What I've seen with the gigs that weekendly, I'm impressed Papa Rhulani. So kuna improvement in terms of his conduct on stage, because previously atakuma iva idakwini lero itandakano imsanenge. He's not going to tax a shenangan. He's a mark, you know, you can tell that he boleta tayo to ilmoga. You can't read, man. You can't realize kuna karala mir, kuna karala kwa street. Kumoga, street. Masoso anivole kuna kuchicha ngov. So I believe my guys is an improvement. He criticized the ngov one. So it's a good thing. Maybe Philani has instilled some sort of discipline in him. We don't know. Mara, it looks like it's working. Whether it's going to last, we don't know. We still have to see, because I believe kuta bankari la Papa Rhulani ngata ze yi like enjoy because Papa Rhulani munhu lowa kuva at yela amintlangwini yi like kuva part of the show, yi enjoy as well, but kungari yona ifene ku yi nyanyula vanhu ndlela liya ku he is not enjoying himself. I understood man tisana me Papa Rhulani previously I felt like in a mentality like I want to enjoy like with pina lawa into good pina of just forgetting that he's actually at work. So now it does look like he's at work. He was controlled, he was disciplined. I perform it that winning and I are well lyrics. So now all that shock on us in. So hingi hi hoyo man. Hinga bela na plan maboko hi no battery myself at least he tries a talent ingana Papa Rhulani, because he is a talent, no doubt about it. That guy can flow in any beat, and then look nishinang tinchi session to garishinandala album. That's why look nubla album kuna magale ya ku perform at irisim ramuno one kami ma DJ man ima DJ la banga complainer Rhulani must stop performing using my song and whatever. Bitly I hear and Rhulani. I've been there session no. Kahle soft melera ku munhu performer ramunhu wana bagu yes loko irna permission. So I used to Papa Rhulani I kuma permission, obviously I kuma ngiphe shit. Loko da permission got the van lava vanga khoma the publishing rights Simrer. When you have permission, you can actually perform another person's song or each and every one. Yeah, you can. Look on a permission. So a ni ta ku hi swona vulavula swona Pepper Rhulani ku ri no yi improvini man and performa kahle sasekini ku xota tinjhovo guys a hi kumileni Pepper Rhulani tinjhovo mi ni twa swi nga ni tsakisi loko yi performa hi ti Uzi na ti relay. I understand ku ri mara tinjhovo leti a ti hi nyika stature lexiya xa ku he's now an artist, a musician, he's a creative ende swa hi fanele ku kha hi ba micino yoleyo kha hi yimbele tinjhovo letiya swa seka ngopfu. So kumelani Pepper Rhulani tinjhovo vanhu va hosi, I think tinjhovo ta laveka loko ku ya xitejini hi famba he must dress like an artist because swi nandziha man, because swilo leswi swi endlaka swa tsakisa, ya swi kota ku flowa ka beat ze yima hi yoxe ya ha flowa ya ha ri ku vulavuleni. So he's just a talent and leswawa that kind of genre ya music luwa mina ni swi vone ku khale wu ri kona music luwa wu kha wu sweswo wu nyikiwa a prominence sweswi loko ku fike DJ Mfundisi, even va DJ Mbangi va endlini na van'wani lava nga zama ku la ku nyika prominence, mara I feel like DJ Mfundisi na Pepper Rhulani has given that genre a huge prominence ka music wa Xitsonga lero at least hina Pepper Rhulani va hi hungasaka mativa hi Pepper Rhulani ya performance swa tsakisa. The good thing ku yi nikiwini Pepper Rhulani yo lava ku discipline sweswo swa ku yi kota ku managiwa. So I feel like you can go far loko yo kota ku endlisa sweswo ni nga swi vona weekend yaleyi swa ku yi tikhoma yi nwela nyana a xikhona nini ivi yi tlhe yi nghena xitejini yi ku kidwa nyana yi va ya ri mutini wa vona swa tsakisa leswiya ni vona swi ni tsakisini. So I just wanted to say that well done to Philani na Pepper Rhulani this weekend la Gagash, because I saw Gagash there as well. So ka mo ni nga zi ni dya nkarhi wo leha ni mi siya hi sweswo ku ri no ni tsakini ku va ni vone Pepper Rhulani yi kha endla swa right for a change. Legere mina ni kha ni ku ek as doors ku tsela ku lenyora I'm testing to tora. Salute mi nga titimeli.